Hello there, I am going to be getting to the top of the volcano with this rock. His name is Dwayne, and he's a rock. So yeah. It's gonna take a while. 5 minutes is like the time it takes to get all the way through this place. 5 minutes. This is one jump. Yeah. Oh god. On 3. Why? How are you doing? That is on the job. That is
I can't
one job.
stop to get it because I'm in the middle of something big.
Alright, yes. Okay, this is gonna take potentially less than 5 minutes. As long as I don't mess up really badly. This is where things could get a little dangerous. With the talk nash. Protect me! Now I have to run up the volcano. This video might end up being less than 5 minutes. That would be nice. Gotta keep on. Shoot these little walls. Alright. Yeah, there it is. He's shooting fireballs at me. Keep going. Yeah. I got it. Oh my god, this way. No. Yeah. Right. Go. Yeah. Run. Yeah. Yes. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. Stop! Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Like, subscribe. If this video gets 10 likes, I will do a part 2. Running all the way through the fine map. Alright, yeah.